Hello, Namaste everyone. Welcome to my YouTube channel. So today we have three piles with us. So you can quickly choose one pile for yourself and we will move ahead with the readings. This is pile number 1, pile number 2 and pile number 3. So let's start with pile number 1. We have this beautiful prayer from Archangel Michael. Look for a sign, new beginning, money, memories, go with the flow, owl, blocks lifted. Okay, we are starting with the blocks lifted card. From your life, lot of blocks are being lifted in the form of darkness. Darkness is being removed. Maybe you were stuck in your career, or maybe you had health issues, or you were facing some problems in your love life. So those challenges are being lifted. You are moving to a safer place. Some of you are shifting recently and moving to a new house, or you are building a new sacred space. Some of you were feeling emotionally unhealthy in the past, but now you have done a lot of emotional healing. Maybe you are watering plants or nurturing Mother Earth with your beautiful ideas of prayers, affirmations, or maybe you are chanting some mantras, spiritual mantras. Next is you need to follow your intuition. Maybe you are stuck in your life, you need to follow your intuition. You need to start trusting your gut feeling. Some of you are highly intuitive and psychic. So you need to start prayers. You can also start Gurvani or any spiritual mantras that you love. Divine is protecting you. Divine has always been protecting you behind the scenes. Right from the childhood, you are being protected a number of times and redirected towards your path. You have been taking support of the divine, which is very amazing. So continue to take support of divine so that you can move to higher dimensions of the universe. Some of you could be visiting mountains, hills, or beaches recently to just have a fresh air, heal yourself, or calm down your stress, anxiety, or workload. Balance your workload. Next is go with the flow. Let things happen. Don't pressurize yourself. Take a deep breath in and release all your stress, anxiety, insomnia issues, eating disorders. Have a pen and paper and write down your thoughts, journal down your thoughts. I can sense many of you are eating your emotions. So you need to have a pen and paper or a diary ready with you so that you can write down your thoughts whenever you feel like writing. And any kind of anxiety issues you have, it will help you heal with the same. If you feel like crying, so you can cry and release your hidden subconscious pain, trauma. Some of you had a childhood issues or inner child issues. A lot of purging will be happening after this reading. So please, I can sense your pain. Please feel your pain and release it. Let go the unhealthy emotions. Allow deeper cleansing to happen. Take a glass of water and just have it. It will keep you calm, relaxed, and focused. Next is money. Some of you have been struggling with money. Now the challenges of money are being solved in your life. Many of you are attracting new business clients, and number of people are attracted towards your work, and you will be getting promotions, or your new ventures will be being successful, and you will be getting more rewards from Mother Earth and the people of Mother Earth in terms of money, because you have decided to help a lot of people. Some of you are going to have your own business venture. So just keep going. Don't drop your divine ideas. You are divinely guided. Next is look for a sign. Universe is giving you a lot of signs and synchronicities. Just notice them and go with the flow. Next is memories. Some of you are having childhood memories. Maybe you have a love relation with a person and there are some childhood memories with that person. Some of you are going to marry very soon, and some of you are going to visit some good place for honeymoon purposes or creating healthy memories. Some of you are interested in blogging, so you can start a blogging channel or a site for yourself. Your throat chakra is getting activated. You can watch the sky blue color of the sky, or you can paint with sky blue color. It will help you activate your throat chakra. Your vocal cords will be becoming prominent and supporting your spiritual journey in terms of throat chakra mission. Maybe you have public speaking as a mission or tarot card reading. So please go ahead and also do some charity. It will help you take your journey to the next level. Next is new beginning. Some new things are happening in your life, and you will be seeing a lot of changes happening in your life positively in terms of receiving new offers from people. If you're looking in love life or if you're looking business ideas, you will be getting more ideas. Now we have prayer from Archangel Michael. So I would love to make a prayer for this pile. Explore your options. Dear God, thank you for your wisdom and love, helping me see, understand, and assess all of my alternative options. Please guide me in the best direction of my health, happiness, and life's purpose. So you are being guided towards your life purpose. Maybe right now you are confused between 2 to 3 options, but universe is guiding you towards your best purpose. So these are your messages for pile number 1. Now we will move to pile number 2 and see what messages are coming through. All the very best, pile number 1. Now we'll see for pile number 2. Choices. Moving forward. Unicorn. Children. Epiphany. Retreat. Journaling. Prayer. Within the next few weeks, this situation will improve. Okay, so we are starting with Epiphany. Some of you are going through deep spiritual awakening, and you have been finding your way from years. You are searching, why am I here? And now divine is giving you the signs, synchronicities, and the path which will lead you towards beautiful destination. You will be meeting lot of co-workers, colleagues along your way. Some of you are going through dark night of the soul and purging your hidden traumas. You have been broken by the past. Maybe some childhood mishappening, or maybe in the adolescence something wrong happened and you have been broken badly. You are releasing all that stress, trauma within your being, and you are gaining clarity in your life. You can keep peacock feathers with you as a sign of symbol and purity. And also you are vibrating at Krishna consciousness. Next is journaling. Journal down your thoughts. If you have some bad thoughts, journal them down and tear the paper and flush it in the running water. It will release your stress, it will calm you. And also you can have a fresh journal to pen down your thoughts, your intuitive nudges, or if you feel like writing some books, please go ahead and do it. Now is the right time to do the same. Angels are guiding you, divine is guiding you to write your best books. Some of you are facing some of the challenges in your business or in your entrepreneurship. The situation will improve. Some of you need to accept the truth of your journey. Some of you have been hiding yourself from so many years. But now divine is knocking at your door, and divine wants you to bless you with some beautiful things in your life. It could be a good business venture or a love proposal or money making opportunities. So please be aware, be conscious about all the options divine is giving you. You are also getting intuitive nudges and messages from the divine, but you are ignoring. You need to take up the call. Now is the right time to act. Next is choices. If you have been broken by past due to some broken people in your life, always remember, hurt people hurt people. So people have been hurting you. So many people try to destroy you. A lot of damages have been caused to you. But now you need to know that you are under angelic protection and you are being guided for your highest good. Some of you could be painters. You can paint a lot and it will help you heal yourself. Also, you can turn it into a business idea. But firstly, paint to heal your inner child and feel more powerful and bliss and predominant in your position. Next is unicorn. You need to surrender your path to divine. Till the time you surrender your path to divine, till the time you don't surrender your path to divine, nothing good will happen in your life. You will be broken from here and there. From everywhere you will be receiving triggers. So you need to surrender your path to divine and follow your divine soul mission. Some of you have chanting and prayers as your divine soul mission. So please go ahead. Do not be suppressed by the materialistic things. Some of you are much suppressed by the materialistic things. It's okay to be materialistic, but you need to be a bit spiritualistic also. It's good for your mental, emotional health and also your soul growth. As a spiritual awakening moves further, you need to be spiritual. You need to be connected to divine. Being connected to divine is like coming home back for the soul. It's very good for your soul growth. Some of you have soul mission with children. You could be visiting orphanages in the future or having soul mission with the children. Or if you wish to adopt some children, then you can do so. If you are not having your own child, then you can definitely adopt some children so that you can feel fulfilled and fulfill your soul mission. A lot of money is coming in your life. I can sense a lot of money blessings are coming and even miracles are happening in your life. Retreat. You need to retreat from the situation that created blockages in your life. You need to let go some people in your life who are creating problem, maybe in your marriage life or in your entrepreneurship. You need to let go such people. Only then you will be able to set your priorities and focus on your priorities to get good results in your life. Next is within the next few weeks, some miracle will happen in your life. Maybe you are signing a business contract with a very well-renowned company, or a new business is coming in your life. So make a note of it and make some prayers and make good arrangements for the same. Be prepared. Don't be lazy. Take up your ideas to the next level. So all the very best. Now I have prayer for you. A favorable outcome. Thank you for the beautiful outcome to this situation, which is perfect and fair for everyone involved. Thank you, Archangel Michael, for helping me trust and have faith. So you need to have faith and move forward. Pile number 2. All the very best. My best wishes are with you. Now we will move to pile number 3 and we will see what messages we have for pile number 3. Wait. Prayer. Ask for help from others. Motivation. Mother Mary. Inspiration. Dreams. Opportunity knocks. Gratitude. Confrontation. Angels of miracles. So I would love to start with angel of miracles. Yes, angels want to create some miracles in your life, but for that you need to believe in your intuitive mind. Don't be so logical. Just have faith and believe in your intuitive mind. There is intuitive mind as well as logical mind operating within us. So you need to believe in your intuitive mind. You need to open your heart and expect a miracle happening in your life. You need to let go the pattern of overthinking. You can spend some time with kids. It will help you heal a lot. Next is gratitude. Be grateful for whatever you have and keep striving for excellence to the next level in your life. Some of you could be reading Gita, which is very good. Your mental health will be improving with that, and you will be able to focus more on your business or on your work. And also it will help you achieve personal growth in your life. You can buy yourself some sunflowers. It will help you activate your solar plexus chakra, and you will feel very passionate, very powerful, and very fiery for your soul mission. Some of you are crying due to the mistakes you have made in the past. So angels want you to know that let go those mistakes. It's okay to mistakes. It's okay to make mistakes and learn from them and evolve and take ourselves to the next level. So stop beating yourself for making some mistakes in the past. It's okay. Calm down. But now for the future, pick your battles wisely. Don't spend your time with those people who drain you, who consume your positive energy, who don't understand your vision. Don't spend your time with such people. Go out into some good networking events or meet your clients so that you can have some healthy communication regarding your business, regarding your work. But not with those, don't hang out with those people who are snatching your productive vibes. Some of you need to do a breathing work and relax your energies. You can wear green color clothes if you are going through heart chakra healing or emotional healing. Spend some time in greenery. Next is wait. Angels are saying wait. Some of you are very impulsive at taking decisions. So wait. Learn to calm down. Relax. When you are in good state of mind, only then take some decisions. Like very important decisions. Maybe making a love choice, making a career choice. So be very wise while taking such decisions. And if you need help from experts, please ask help from others. You can go for good life coaches, or you can ask help from in case you need a good healer. Go to a good healer, counselor, therapist. Opportunity knocks, go for it. If you're getting some opportunities, then say yes to it and go ahead and make your career in it. You'll be traveling to multiple places throughout your life. You are a traveler and a lifelong learner. So be open to learn new things daily and recreate them for others so that your life coaching business can grow and you can achieve growth to the next level. Some of you are getting messages in the dreams. So have a dream journal for yourself and write down your dreams and decode them. You are being guided by divine through your dreams. Maybe for your love life or your career life or for your business ventures. So make a note of it. Next is motivation. Pray for guidance as to how to increase your enthusiasm for and focus on this project. You need to pray and motivate yourself so that you can go ahead with your business ventures and turn your ideas into profitable business. Next is Mother Mary. Mother Mary is very loving, kind and nurturing energy. Mother Mary is helping you with your divine purpose. Some of you are stuck and you are thinking that there is no light, but there is light at the end of the tunnel. Mother Mary is giving you intuitive messages, signs, synchronicities, angels, feathers, angel numbers, coins. So look at them. They all are a sign. Universe is communicating to you through all these signs. So make a note of it and note down in your diary, in your journal, and then take yourself to the next level. Next is inspiration. Pile number 3, you are a big inspiration for so many people, and you are inspiring others through your motivating words, through your tarot cards. Maybe you are an angel therapist or an oracle card reader, and your idea is divinely inspired, and you are taking right actions, and you are inspiring others to become a better human being in their life. So keep leveling up your game and taking yourself to the next level without doubting yourself. Drop your all doubts and confusion here and move ahead. Take action on your divine soul mission. So now I would love to make a prayer for you. We have a beautiful card for you. God is in the charge from Archangel Michael. Your prayer is, Dear God, please help me let go of this situation, giving it in faith and trust to your divine wisdom and infinite love in order to resolve and heal everything and everyone involved. So God is in charge and God is helping you heal. So these were your messages, pile number 3. So I wish you all the very best on your journey of healings and love and light and spiritual awakening. So keep healing yourself and keep marching to the next level of your soul mission or your soul growth in your personal life as well as in your professional life. So all the very best. I will be back with another messages. Till then, take good care of yourself. Bye bye. Love and light.